Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you step by step how you can customize the checkout page on your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, go to the settings on the bottom left. Here you will see the checkout option on this menu. This is where you can manage and customize the checkout page of your store. I will simply click on the customize button, which will take me to the editor. This is our store's current checkout page and I am going to make some little changes to it. On the left hand side, you will see this option which will help you edit this page. For example, if I want to add a logo to this page, I will simply go to the logo option on the left, click on add image, and then I will add my logo here. The logo is now visible on the store header. I can also increase or decrease the size of this logo from here. Next, I can change the position of the logo using these options. For now, I will keep it on the left side. We also have the option to add background image to this header. Click on add image and choose a background image. Adding a background can give your store a unique look, so I recommend to do that. As you can see, the background is now visible on the header. Don't worry, you can remove this background whenever you want by clicking this option. Next, we have this background 1 option. This is the background of this form. So if I add any image here, it will appear just behind this form. But if I change the color here, it will also be visible at the header as well. For now, I will change the background to grey. Next, we have the background 2 option, which will change the color of this second section. Next up, we have these 3 colors. These colors will appear on this form field, so feel free to play around with these options. You can add your own brand color here or you can leave it as default too. Next, we have the typography, which will help us change the headings and other text of this page. You can also change them if you want to stay consistent with your store fonts. Lastly, we have this checkout layout option. You can either select one-page checkout or a 3-page checkout. I personally recommend that you use the one-page checkout option, as the 3-page checkout process can be a bit lengthy and may lead customers to abandon their cart in between. Okay, now I will simply click on this save button on the top right to save all these changes. Then I will simply exit this editor by clicking on this exit button. Next, we have some other options here that will help us further customize the checkout page. First, we have the customer contact page, where you can select what information you want to collect from your customers. For example, I can decide whether I want to collect just the email or the email with the phone number of the customer. Next, you can also check this option, which will require customers to create an account on your store. However, it is not recommended as it may increase sales resistance and you may lose some customers because of this. Next, we have the customer personal information settings. Here we need to select all the information that we want to get from our customers. You can also set some fields as required or optional based on the product you are selling in your store. For now, I will simply follow the Shopify recommendation for these fields. Next, we have the marketing options. Here I will select both email and SMS options. You can also enable the tipping option here, which will allow your customer to send some tips, but for now I will simply uncheck this option. Next up, we have the address settings, where I will go with the recommended settings. Next, we have the abandoned checkout email settings. This is very important settings. If any customer abandons their cart after filling in the checkout info, they will get notified via email if you enable these settings. Next, you can also change the checkout language from here. Alright, now that we have gone through all these settings, it's time to save our changes. So I will click on this save button to save all these changes. With this step, our basic checkout setup is finally complete. Now you can preview your store to see how it looks. Click on these 3 dots, select the view button, and here is our store. Thanks for watching. Now you know that how to customize the checkout page on your Shopify store. You can create a seamless shopping experience for your customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.